Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to find your SHEIN return QR code. Finding your SHEIN return QR code is simple, but you may first need to start a return request for an order. To begin, open the SHEIN app and tap on the Me section. You will find it at the bottom right of the screen. Next, go to your orders. Your item may be under shipped, processing, or review. Select the order that you want to cancel or return. Once the order is open, tap on Cancel or Return and proceed with starting the return request. After submitting the request, go to the Return section and tap on the order you are returning. In most cases, the QR code will automatically appear on the screen. If it does not, tap on the specific item you are returning or check the option shown below the order details. The QR code will be displayed there. The QR code can be used to complete your return process, and that's it. We just learned how to find the SHEIN return QR code by starting a return request and checking the return section in the SHEIN app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.